I am now going to review about the best video doorbell reviews on the market.
I have researched each product based on customer review, price and product features. If you have any personal opinion or any question, then you can write in the comments section. All the links about the products mentioned are in the video description below, so if you want to find out the best prices and more information, you can check them out. If you're interested in which products will work best for you, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press on the bell icon. Then you will get notification when new videos will be uploaded in the future.
At number 1. Ring Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. This video doorbell has a video on demand feature which lets you get a glimpse of the home from anywhere and at any time. All this is to the live view on a smartphone, tablet or PC. The doorbell ships with 4 unique colour faceplates for customers to select a colour which blends with the background decor of the home. Mounting the doorbell is easy, and the package also contains installation instructions as well as a toolkit. With a motion sensor activated camera, the doorbell can be set to monitor a specific direction with adjustable sensitivity so it does not sound its alarm for rodents. At number 2. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This doorbell has a two-way talk feature for communication between the guests and the homeowner. The homeowner can decide to connect to a smartphone or tablet to view and talk to the guests. The doorbell is weather resistant and the camera provides 1080p wide-angle HD video. The night video's vision feature ensures that the camera does not miss any movement during the dark. With a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, it is possible to download and use the Ring app with the doorbell whilst also uploading videos to a cloud storage. At number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Elite. On a lot of occasions, connecting the doorbell using Wi-Fi can cause a lot of connectivity issues. To address this issue, this doorbell uses a power over Ethernet connection. This gives excellent connection and also continuous power supply. One attractive feature of the Ring doorbells which comes with this particular doorbell is the lifetime purchase protection. This means that in the event of a stolen doorbell, the manufacturer will give a free replacement. It also has a two-way talk feature with customizable motion zones to send alert to any compatible devices such as Mac, iOS, Windows 10 or Android.
Wow, still you are watching this video. Now I'm going to show you next product details with a presentation. After watching this video, I am sure that you are able to take a decision which product will be the best for you. So let's get started.
that.